What's going on, y'all boys? So today I'm gonna show y'all how to install this VLAN tail light on this Dodge Charger. It's 11 to 14. That's my boy Kato.
What up, though?
And we finna get it bit right. So first off, you know what I'm saying, you wanna disconnect your battery, your negative battery terminal. You know what I'm saying? His shit already loose, so I'm gonna go ahead and come up off there. And then you wanna pop this clip right here. You're gonna pull just like that all the way around. Pull the whole thing off. Just like this. And that come out just like that. Now, you're gonna take this little Phillips head out, and then this little hanger right here. Same thing on this side. You're gonna take both of those off, and then take this off, take this off. And then it's gonna be a T25. Go ahead and take that off right there. Put it to the side. Pull that out. Same thing with this side. Pull that out. Pull it to the side.
So this one is a little weird. It's a Phillips on this side, but it's not a Phillips on that side.
Because this car broke. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know about it being broke, but yeah.
Yeah.
Ain't that tight in it?
Hell no. This was like the one in that BMW that we just got done doing.
All right, cut the video.
There we go.
That's not what those
Those don't never come out perfect.
That's not what these pliers are for.
Definitely not.
There you go. You got the big bitches out. Ugh, like butter.
So after you remove those two clips, you wanna pull back on this, and you're gonna pull that out just like that. It would be one on that side, but it's missing. Then you're gonna pull this whole cover back, and then you got three 10mm screws. You wanna take these 3 screws out, and then the tail light will come out. All right, so boom, you're gonna come over here. I lied. Damn. So you wanna pull back this cover after you take those clips off, and there's 3 8mm nuts. All right, after that, next you wanna come and unplug this tail light, and then pull on this little weather strip. I'm gonna pull that off all the way down. Gonna clip out, and then you just pull on the tail light. Then it should come out just like that. All right, so next you wanna unwrap it. Go ahead and unwrap it all the way around. And put it in that side. Put it through this little square that it came out of. And next you want to get your 8mm nuts and put them back on. Next, you're gonna, this is not plug and play. You're gonna have to do some wiring after. This yellow cable go to this red wire, and then this black cable will go to this black wire, and that's for your turn signals and brake light. Next, you're gonna come and cut this connector off, just like that. Strip the wire down. Same thing with the black wire. Next, you want to splice into this red wire and this black wire for this yellow connector and this black connector. So the yellow wire that the yellow and black wire that I showed you earlier is gonna go to the yellow is gonna go to the red wire, and then the black wire is gonna go to the black wire. You're gonna wire those up, and then connect them together. Put the tape on. After that, these are your sequential turn signals and the animation plugs. If you want them to activate, you will have to unplug them. If you don't want them to, or you want them to be just regular, you're gonna plug them in. Keep them plugged in. Tuck that behind, plug it in, and then put the trim back. I'm gonna put this weather strip back on. Gonna clip in just like so. Just like that. Same thing with this side. Just do the same thing. Wire the red and the yellow connected together and the black and black connected together. All right, next, you're gonna take this cover off.
Well, that's going forever. Gotta get one.
Pull that off, and then the whole thing comes down.
All right, boom. It was 3 retaining clips up top, 1, 2, and 3. And then it was one right here, and also one right here. After that came out, it was T20, T20 screw. And there was one right here as well, and there was a handle right here. Not every model's gonna have a handle though.
Every model should have a handle, but
Yeah.
if yours don't have a handle, just know.
It broke.
Yeah. But anyways, next you wanna get 8mm for each of these little bolts and little nuts, and take them out. Pause. But yeah.
You know, y'all got some dirty mans. Some big Brimbos.
Pause.
You say what now?
All right. You're gonna take all of these out. Yeah, we're gonna be here all day.
What other one? Oh, my fault. I ain't see them.
One right here. No,
not
that one.
Oh.
All right. And then next, you want to unclip this connector right here to your tail light, and then come on down, and you're just gonna pull the tail light out itself. Just like that.
Butter.
Yep. And then this middle one, you don't have to wire anything. It's just plug and play.
Well, sometimes I felt like Dodge didn't show enough love when it came to the 2014s and the 2011s. So that's why VLAND came and helped us out.
We're not a sponsor.
Hey, VLAND, you got the best looking Mopars in the league right now. You should sponsor us.
Come on now.
All right. So boom, it's easy. Put it back down. Line up them holes.
Pause.
Man, that thing kind of strong, now, ain't it? But first,
Make sure you get that connector in that hole. Pull the plastic out a little bit.
trying to preserve the greatness. All right.
Check up on this side.
Been there. It's a little gap.
Then once you put the screws in, it's gonna sit all the way flush. All right, now you're gonna start tightening them down slowly.
All right.
You missing one.
Huh. It's on there. Oh. Thought you meant like it was like gone.
All right, now you can tighten them all down.
Oh. All right. This shit really rips your ears. That one first.
All right.
Oh, I think my head.
Now, all it is, plug this connector in.
Oh.
And then you're gonna put it back up there in the slot. And if you want the animation lights with this one, you're gonna just unplug that.
All right, so we put the screws back in, put the returning clip back in on both sides. Also, it's supposed to be 3 here. I am broke, so don't have it. See how he was just thirsty to call me broke? W-mans. All right, so next part, putting this plastic trim back on. Really just slap it until it gets back in place. Pretty much. Boom, just like that. All right, next thing's next. We're gonna show y'all how it's supposed to look.
All right, so there you go. This is the installation video of how to install VLAND Dodge Charger 11 to 14 tail lights.
Brembos, nigga.